Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, LED headlights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.